Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do the next question of our agriculture optional answer writing practice series. जो हमारी एग्रीकल्चर ऑप्शनल आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस सीरीज चल रही है उसके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं. एंड टुडेस क्वेश्चन इज discuss the iron and protein malnutrition in India. Okay, and the second part of the question is asking us about describe the dietary patterns for mitigating the above said malnutrition. So आयरन और प्रोटीन मालन्यूट्रिशन जो इंडिया में है उसको डिस्कस करना है. सेकेंडली वी हैव टू कीप सम डाइटरी पैटर्न्स. क्या डाइटरी पैटर्न को हम लोग फॉलो करके इन मालन्यूट्रिशन को मिटिगेट कर सकते हैं. So this was the question asked in the Indian Forest Service examinations conducted by UPSC. That is the जो एग्रीकल्चर ऑप्शनल पेपर होता है इंडियन फॉरेस्ट सर्विस एग्जामिनेशन का उसमें ये क्वेश्चंस आ चुके हैं. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू प्रोटीन मालन्यूट्रिशन एंड आयरन मालन्यूट्रिशन मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स these questions are asked. जैसे अगर आप यूपीएससी when you look at the previous years of UPSC you will see repeated number of times questions on protein energy malnutrition. So these types of questions generally UPSC tends to ask. So let's see how we can approach the answer. कैसे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस का हम लोग आंसर अप्रोच कर सकते हैं. So we all know that malnutrition is a major problem in India. We are able to fulfill the hunger obligations, that is hunger को हम लोग fulfill कर चुके हैं, but we are not still able to fulfill the nutritional hunger. नॉर्मल हंगर इज फुलफिल्ड, भूख को मिटा चुके हैं हम लोग, बट न्यूट्रिशनल हंगर इज नॉट स्टिल फुलफिल्ड, नॉट फुलफिल्ड. So which is causing a lot of malnutrition in India. Most of the women, when you see the data also, around 40 to 50% of more than 40% of women and around 50% of women in rural areas are still anemic. They suffer from osteoporosis, they suffer from protein related disease such as children especially suffer from protein related disease such as kwashiorkor, marasmus. So anemia, kwashiorkor, marasmus. So these are all the diseases caused by the iron and protein malnutrition only. And so this is a major problem in India. So let's discuss something about this. So using these things you can introduce your answer by writing the quote on nutritional hunger. You can introduce your answer, that will be good enough. So first of all we will discuss about iron malnutrition. So what iron malnutrition is? So iron deficiency is a major concern leading to anemia. आयरन डिफिशियंसी जो है मेजरली किसको लीड कर रहा है, एनीमिया को. We see that more than 50%, more than 40 to 50% of women in India, especially in rural areas, more than 50% of women are anemic. Okay, and that is all due to iron malnutrition. और अगर आप रिसेंट नेशनल फैमिली सर्वे भी देखो, नेशनल फैमिली हेल्थ सर्वे भी देखो, तो उसमें भी आप देखोगे कि मोस्ट ऑफ द माल न्यूट्रिशन हैव डिक्रीज्ड. मतलब मोस्ट माल न्यूट्रिशन है डिक्रीज हो गया, बट द रेट ऑफ एनीमिया हैज स्टिल इंक्रीज्ड स्पेशली इन चिल्ड्रन. काफी सारे माल न्यूट्रिशन है, काफी सारे मैक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट से रिलेटेड डिजीज सब लगभग डिक्रीज हुए हैं, पर एनीमिया जो है इट इज एन एक्सेप्शन दैट कि अभी भी ये बढ़ रहा है स्पेशली इन चिल्ड्रन. चिल्ड्रन में इंडिया में एनीमिया के रेट्स जो स्टिल इट इज इन इंक्रीजिंग ट्रेंड. सो it is the major concern for us, and it generally affects the maternal and children health, that is the health of a mother, maternal and child health. तो ये सारी प्रॉब्लम की कंसर्न्स हैं माल न्यूट्रिशन को, आयरन माल न्यूट्रिशन को लेके. अगर आप इसके जनरल कॉजेस देखोगे, when you see the general causes of iron malnutrition, you will find that we have very limited intake of iron rich foods, very limited intake of iron rich foods. And you will also find a high level of deficiency which is leading to infections, especially in women and children. And most of the times whenever iron rich food is also provided, so there is the problem of poor absorption of iron. Okay, there is problem of poor iron absorption due to lack of diversity, due to lack of dietary diversity, क्योंकि हम लोग का डाइवर्स डाइट्स नहीं है. सो उससे क्या होता है, जो भी इनहिबिटर्स होते हैं, देयर आर सर्टेन इनहिबिटर्स व्हिच आर प्रेजेंट इन आवर staple food, such as inhibitors, such as we can give the examples of the tannins, such as phytates. So these are the inhibitors, these are the inhibitors of iron absorption. So in, और ये inhibitors हमारे किसमें, जो हमारे staple food हैं, जो हमारे कार्बोहाइड्रेट रिच फूड्स हैं, स्टेपली जो जनरली हमारे स्टेपल फूड्स ऑफ राइस व्हीट, उसमें काफी इसको उनकी प्रेजेंस देखी गई है। और इससे क्या होता है कि जो हमारा आयरन एब्जॉर्प्शन है, कभी कभी हम लोग आयरन जब ले भी रहे हैं तो ठीक से एब्जॉर्ब नहीं हो पाता है ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ दीज इनहिबिटर्स, टैनिन्स एंड फाइटेट्स, उस वजह से भी आयरन की डिफिशियंसी की प्रॉब्लम है। सो दिस इज अबाउट द आयरन malnutrition. So using these things you can structure your answer. काफी सारे पॉइंट्स मैंने बता दिए, इसको लेकर के आप आंसर को स्ट्रक्चर कर देना। Now we will talk about protein malnutrition, which is also called protein energy malnutrition. तो आप जनरली देखोगे प्रोटीन एनर्जी malnutrition, प्रोटीन एनर्जी malnutrition से तो मेजर डिजीज होता है, दैट इज क्वासिरकर एंड मेरेस्मस, क्वासिरकर एंड मेरेस्मस। So what happens due to these things? Due to Kwashiorkor and marasmus, you will find stunted growth, immune deficiencies, stunted growth, immune deficiencies. That is, there will be more susceptibility with diseases. Even there are increased mortality rates, especially in children. Increased mortality rates, especially in children. Okay. So these are the some of the problems of Kwashiorkor and marasmus. And what are the major causes of protein malnutrition in India? First of all is the intake of inadequate intake of high quality protein sources. There is lack of adequate intake, very low intake of protein. Okay, so that causes a major problem. अगर आप generally देखो तो we should consume the protein around the amount of our body weight. Suppose our body weight is 80 kg, so we should be consuming proteins around 80 grams. Okay, but this is very low in India. Most of the people are not fulfill their protein demands because generally we are uh, uh, mostly on diets, heavy diets of rice and wheat. अगर आप हमारे स्टेपल्स देखो तो राइस और व्हीट जनरली यूज करते हैं हम लोग, एंड दीज टू आर वेरी लो इन प्रोटीन, लो इन प्रोटीन, so that concern, that makes a major problem. अगर आप देखो तो the milk consumption is very low in India, the meat consumption is low in India, the egg consumption is low in India. So this becomes many problem. और जैसे जो भी protein rich diets हैं, those are at higher costs, high costings. अगर आप मिल्क को ही देख लो, मीट को भी देख लो, एग्स को भी देख लो, दोज आर कॉस्टलियर थिंग्स। सो इससे क्या होता है, जो भी पॉवर्टी है, those people who are facing poverty are not able to take proper amount of protein intake, which causes them these problems of Kwashiorkor, marasmus, especially in the children's. So this is the status of protein malnutrition in India, and using these points you can structure your answer. So I hope you understand these things. अब क्योंकि क्वेश्चन के आप सेकंड पार्ट में देखो तो दे आर आस्किंग अबाउट अस द डाइटरी पैटर्न फॉर मिटिगेटिंग द वेक्सड malnutrition. How can we can mitigate these malnutrition? How can we overcome these malnutrition? Through dietary patterns. Okay, so we will see. So first of all, we have to increase the consumption of iron and protein rich foods, such as foods coming from animal sources, such as it could be meat, it could be eggs, it could be poultry, it could be milk. सो जो एनिमल सोर्सेज से हमें जो भी मिल रहा है उसको हमें इंक्रीज करना है, उनकी इंटेक को इंक्रीज करना है। अगर आप प्लांट सोर्सेज से भी देखोगे तो वी हैव वेरियस वेरी गुड अमाउंट ऑफ प्लांट्स विच आर गुड इन आयरन एंड प्रोटीन। फॉर एग्जांपल आप जाओ तो लेंटिल्स खा सकते हो, लेग्यूम्स, ऑल द पल्सेस आर वेरी रिच इन प्रोटीन। अगर आप स्पैनिश को देखो, काले को देखो, दे आर वेरी रिच इन स्पैनिश एंड केल, these are very rich in iron, they are very rich in iron. Legumes are very rich in protein. So we can also focus on plant sources, so there should be diversity between and there should be good balance between animal sources and plant sources, and those who are vegetarian, they should be highly dependent on these plant sources, and these they should consume those in high amounts. Okay, many times we can see that some pulses such as green gram, uh, pea contains a huge amount of proteins, and green gram even contains more protein than poultry. Some studies has also showed that, but we have to consume that in high amounts. Okay, so this is the problem. So we can increase the consumption of iron rich and protein rich foods. This is the first one. Secondly, fortification can be done, which can be included in our dietary patterns, such as iron fortified wheat, iron fortified wheat, or iron fortified rice, iron fortified salt. So these can be done, or you can say protein fortified rice can be also enhanced. This can be fortification. Although this needs some research and development, but we are working on it. We have got some iron rich rice varieties are on its way, such as golden rice. If you have heard about golden rice, it is a fortified rice. So like this, we have to bring more fortified rice, which are good in iron and proteins. So this can be done. We have to enhance the absorption. So how can we enhance absorption? I hope you understand these things. Fortification point. I am making space for the next points. So we need to not only have a good diet of these things, we have to also enhance the absorption of these things, because many times what happens, we cannot absorb the amount of protein and iron we eat. Okay, so for example, pair iron with vitamin C, iron rich diet with vitamin C. So what happens? Vitamin C increase the absorption of this iron rich diet. So this can be done. Okay, for example, we can use sources such as tomatoes, we can use citrus fruits, tomatoes. So these fruits will also give us some macronutrients, plus this will also enhance the absorption of iron and protein rich diets. Okay, secondly, we have to avoid inhibitors. There are many inhibitors which inhibit the absorption of protein and iron in our dietary habits. Those inhibitors could be tea, coffee, very high fiber foods. So I am not telling that we have to completely stop eating these things, but we have to limit these things. In India, we see the consumption of tea is very high, so which sometimes counteracts also, because tea acts as an inhibitor of iron absorption. So we have to limit these things so that our absorption rate is increased, because these things act as inhibitors of iron and protein absorption. So this can be done. Next, we have to diversify our diet, as we have just discussed only, that we have to focus on many things. We have to focus on animal based foods, we have to focus on plant based foods, we have to focus on different vegetables, different fruits. So all these things needs to be done. We have to increase nutritional education. We have to educate communities about the importance of protein and iron, and how to incorporate diverse foods into daily habits, because most of the time we are highly focused on staple foods, which is rice and wheat, generally rice and wheat. So which are very low in protein and iron. So we have to give some nutritional education to diversify the food. How can we bring iron and protein in our dietary habits? So education is the need. We can bring some supplementation programs, especially for vulnerable sections such as for pregnant women, for children, for patients. So supplementation programs, that is supplementing through targeted foods, such as for protein we can use protein powders, for iron we can use some iron supplements, some iron tablets. So that can be helpful. So supplementation programs need to be done, especially for the vulnerable sections, especially for pregnant women and children. So these things, including these things in our dietary habits, can help us to overcome the malnutrition, which is generally of iron and protein. So I hope you understand the answer. You hope the different you understood the different points. You understood the how to approach the answer. You understood how to structure the question, structure your answer. So that is all for today. Please do like, please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos for you, ऐसे वीडियोज आपसे लिए रेगुलरली बनाने में काफी हार्ड वर्क लगता है, एंड इफ यू लाइक, इफ यू शेयर एंड इफ यू सब्सक्राइब, इट मोटिवेट्स अस टू मेक more such videos for you regularly. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.